welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Felicia. So today I'm gonna show you how I achieve this beautiful look. The hair is from me. It's a 14-inch curly wig. I do it in an updo, and you're that nice already. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. um Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for the follow. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for always commenting. I see the comment them, guys, and I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna show you how I do this beautiful catch up. Yeah, please go over my Instagram at Case Flawless Hair. On Instagram, I'm gonna show you um all the stuff that I use to achieve this look: the iron, the glue, the stand, my ring light. Okay, you know the girl have the ring light. And so, but to all my new subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you for my day one them. Big up on yourself. Welcome to my channel. My channel is based upon wig, makeup, cleaning, daily vlog, and a lot more with me. I thank you guys for all the support, all the comments. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, thank you guys for the comment, and thank you guys for the ones who reach out to me and say, "Okay, do this for your channel, do this for your channel." I really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for helping me grow my channel. Thank you for the ones that were commenting. Thank you for everybody that subscribed to my channel. So continue watching so to see how I achieve this beautiful look. Yeah, I know the girl like your stylist already, so the girl gonna get the job done. But thank you guys for everything. Continue watching to see how I achieve this look. Bye.
Wig. I have this wig for a little while, and I cut off some of the lace already, but it's a good quality lace, good quality hair, so I couldn't afford to show my hair. But anyway, I gotta go through this, I part it out a little, and just I go through it. I make the baby hair them more lighter, because I don't like dramatic baby hairs. I like more softer baby hairs. So I went in with my tweezer. Yeah, I went in with the tweezer and just I pluck out some of the ear, because I don't know how them like dramatic baby hair, but I definitely don't like dramatic baby hair. So, but as I got through with my tweezer, just to try to get the baby hair them a bit lighter. Um, as me said, this wig is from me. Follow me over Instagram, and you can make a purchase on this wig. So I never like how the front look heavy, because knowing some cut off some of the lace, it gonna have a more fuller at the back part where I cut off the lace. So I just said I go through it with my tweezer, just to just pluck out some of the hair them, make it look more natural and more better. Because I hate when a person put on a wig and it looks so heavy. So I go through it with my hot comb. This hot comb are one of the best hot comb. I'm gonna show you in the next part of the video. The hot comb is one of the best hot comb. You could comment and I'll tell you the name, because I don't remember it now. But I just got through it with my hot comb. Man, dry, Jesus. But I just got through it with my hot comb. Just try to bring it back. The hair them when I already pluck out. I just want them out of the way. So I just got through it with my iron and see how it look natural. Because my hair, when you put on the wig and it just look like one big long line, I hate that. So I just go through it. If you can see, when I go through it and pluck out some of the hair and stuff. So continue watching. I will jump in and out in the video. I'm doing a voiceover for this video, because I wasn't talking in the video. I said I'm just gonna try out the voiceover, so I'm just doing a voiceover in this video. So continue watching, and I hope you like this video. So after I done style here, finish style it off camera. I went and I washed my hair. Went in the bathroom and I washed my hair because I had a whole lot of gel, and when I like put on a wig and then it just start itch me because my ear dirty. So I take a shower and I wash my hair. And girl, I have too much ear. Oh my god! I try to blow it out so I can manage it more. Me have to stop and take off the ring because me say the blow dryer get hot and burn my finger. Me have to take off the ring, but me I try to blow it out so it can get light. Some can get to clean on me here. So I went off camera and I finished cleaning my hair. I used this Ibin spray, and you have them look a baby ear. The front you go kind of brush in the baby ear because I'm put on the. So as I'm saying, me just go in with the spray and kind of bring back my little baby ear then because my ear grow funny, my ear grow out. So in at the middle, I'm a forehead, so my ear grow in, and then right at the out of my eyebrow there. Jesus got a lighter job, but me kind of pushing the edges them because once you push in the edges them, everything will go good. So that's how I fix up my light. My light just drop down for no reason. Like it don't want me to do the video, but light yours can't stop me. So me use my yellow bird blow dryer. I had a black one, but eventually I couldn't bother to go look for it. So me just I go through with me confused right just like I don't know what me look for. Oh yes, me I tell you say at the yellow bird blow dryer me use in this process me can comment and I can tell them when you can find it, the flat iron. And I also use this tiny iron to do my baby ears on my wig. So I like to use the HD cap because I don't like to use the next cap them. I just feel like the next cap them not give a seamless look, and I'm going for a more seamless look. So I try to bring it back close, and then I cut out the ear tab because I want the cap to sit very perfect on my head. So I just cut out the two sides them, and cut out the two sides them so when I spray the spray on it, it close the side right there. So I'm go back again, use my red tint spray. And do the work. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking in this video. I will be jump in and out in the video, but I hope you guys like the video. I hope you learned something from it while I'm doing my hair, and you guys can try my method. You guys have your own method, but this is the way how I do it. So continue watching. As I said, I will jump in and out to tell you exactly what I'm doing, and I'll come back to you. I use the Ruby Kiss what is it called? Foundation? Yeah. I use the Ruby Kiss Cream Foundation. And guys, when you guys are doing your hair, please to get a big brush. Don't get a small brush, get a big brush. Because when you use the big brush, it's more better. It make your hair, it just make it better in so many ways. So I ran through with my scissors. I try to cut it in a zigzag method. Just fitting a look like straight. You know when you cut something and it looks straight, I try to cut it in a zigzag form, so it no look like one straight line over my face. And then after I cut it, I'm gonna go through and use the spray tint spray again. Use the spray and kind of like any of the front will lift up, like you know when you cut it and it not lay down as much, you just use the sprayer on it and just use the tail or the brush, the comb, whatever you use, and try to get it down. See me I do this side. I never showed the next side, but this is how me I do it. Spray it, use the tail, roll it down, use the blow dryer. And guys, when you're doing your hair, please to always have a blow dryer, because it make it work faster, it make it quicker, and it make it much easier. So I'm gonna go through with my alcohol. After you do all of them spray, all of them makeup there, you want to clean off the surface where I go basically put the glue, so the glue can stick, dry, and stick to the cap when the lace wig when you put it on. So you have to go through and you go clean off all of the mess where they're on, and just try to ensure that the area where you go put on clean. So this is how I always do my wig. I always any style me I put it in, I like to do it on the mannequin first, ensure that the style I want come out how me I do it, because it's not like I have anyone around, female around, to like catch it up for me or whatever, and I may do my own ear. Yeah, so this is me. Thirsty start killing me. So I use this glue from Odessa. She's located in New York. I always use her product because fair product them work with me. I don't know about anybody else, but the products, they are good. The lace tilt, the glue, the wig remover, all of the products, they work perfectly for me. So you can follow me over Instagram, and then I will put you onto her, or you can comment in my comment section and I can put you onto her. So I normally put a light layer of glue first, let it dry. It kind of get messy this, but I'm gonna wipe it off with alcohol because I don't want too much glue. I really don't like a lot of glue. Most of my wigs are glueless. I prefer glueless because I love my baby hairs and I don't want them to tear it, even though I know how to take it out, but I prefer not to use glue. I'm a glueless girly. But I decided to come on camera just to give you guys a tip of how you can do your hair and make it be more easier for you guys, because I know a lot of people are trying to do their own hair in this time. I use 2-layer glue. And I ensure my glue is clear. As you can see, my glue is much clear right there. And I just take off the hair off of the mannequin. It's so easy. You take it off. What you can do is, I was using that cutting tool thing, but I was putting it the opposite way, because after you spray it on the mannequin and everything, it will kind of give a little trouble if it come off. So I take out my clips. You see it look like a cap, I gotta just drop it by your head. Yeah, just drop it by your head because it's much easier. If I had to do this on my head, like to catch up and make the baby hair, it would have taken me a lot of time, and I wanted to do it on camera, so I went the quicker method. So I put it on my head, bring it down to where the glue there, ensure some my baby hair them that they're too far, and snap. You see, it already look like it done, and it not done. So I ensure that the two sides are perfectly sit. I ensure that the two sides them sit fine. I went through it with, say you can't use a comb because the style already create. So I use the thing that I used to cut the lace, but I use the tail of it. So the tail part, that's what I use. And look on it, guys. Like it already look like it's finished. It already look like it finished, So I'm going to use my tie, the headband thing, like look on it. Like look at it. Girl body na anything should do. Right? The girl body na anything should do. But I'm gonna go through it. I'm gonna run through it with my spray. I need to try this new spray that I see they have. I was watching some girls on TikTok and I see they try it. So I'm gonna get that new spray that they just spray it on, that you don't have to use glue. Mega go through it, ensure say it go down. Use my Ruby cream foundation, go through it and tie down. Guys, when you do this, it's seamless as ever. Because basically when I go through it like when I put on the cap, the first layer. So I just go through it with my Ruby Kiss. And yeah, use a headband. This is what gonna create the magic, guys. Ensure so when you're not doing a wig, always have a band. Because the band is what created the magic. If I'm doing somebody here, I normally use like 2 bands, but I'm just doing a quick hairstyle for my channel and for me to go to work. So I was just doing something quick. But normally when I'm doing somebody here, I normally use like 2. Because when I use 2, it just melting right and proper. So 15 minutes after or 10 minutes after, I take it out. And guys, don't tie it tight. Because when you tie it tight, your brain I go squeeze out. So I'm gonna tie it tight, I'm just left it like 10 to 15 minutes. And that's me right there, trying to give it, I catch it up, but I think it didn't part in the center. That's me trying to get into the groove. And like, baby, look at that finishing. I use this oil. It sells in Walmart, beauty supply, and all those stores. I use a little bit because I already use some, and I use a spray bottle. Because when I put it in the condition in the spray bottle, use that oil, put it in your ear, everything I look for. I want you guys to find the lace. Comment in the comment section and tell me where is the lace, because baby, there's no lace. There is no lace. You understand what I'm saying? So anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and I hope this video teach you something and you'll learn something from this video. Comment, leave a like, share, and I'm happy you watched the video this far. So if you reach this far, you can just give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.